this time out on the Rusty Pilot. The brand new Garmin Autopilot system failed as we encountered some storms. Had to revert back to a 6-pack and fly a partial panel to the house. But before those storms had a chance to build, we were in Fredericksburg, Texas, where me and my niece and jet pilot Jacob were on our way to pick up a new jet, Baylor's old jet, by the way. We took off out of Fredericksburg and headed on down to San Antonio International. Not very common for small airplanes to fly in and out of there. The controllers were a little bit confused when I pick up a clearance here in just a little while. But short trip, maybe 20 minutes. Time lapse, it's about a minute. We're going to land. We're going to get situated. Jacob's going to go to El Paso, and we're going to get back in here and fly back into these storms and have to partial panel back to the house. Join me here in the cockpit right along.
Foxtrot Hotel departure frequency is 127.1, squawk 2551.
Departure frequency is 127.1, squawk 2551 for 4 Foxtrot Hotel.
4 Foxtrot Hotel, is that a twin aircraft or a jet? I'm not familiar.
Single engine VTOL Bonanza Doctor Killer.
Okay, Ryder.
Call tower.
Southwest 4130 in the visual, 13 right.
Southwest 4130, San Antonio Tower, runway 13 right, continuing traffic hold in position.
13 right, continuing, Southwest 41.
San Antonio Tower, November 4 Foxtrot Hotel. At Kilo holding short of 13, ready to go in sequence.
November 4 Foxtrot Hotel, San Antonio Tower, roger.
Flying in and out of the international airports, always interesting and small.
Southwest 4130, use caution for a large bird reported 4-mile final, 2,000 feet.
Alright, we'll look for the large bird, Southwest 4130.
November 4 Foxtrot Hotel, runway 13 right at Kilo, line up and wait, traffic 8-mile final.
Line up and wait on 13 right for 4 Foxtrot Hotel.
Father 7 Juliet Foxtrot, safe parking.
7 Juliet Fox parked at Signature South.
Or 7 Juliet Foxtrot, turn right at Alpha, right call for contact on point 9.
Okay, ground on Alpha, ground on the other side, 7 Juliet Fox.
Line up and wait for him to clear, and then they'll clear us. Make sure we're making good power. We'll rotate at 71. We'll get to flying.
November 4 Foxtrot Hotel, wind 2009er, runway 13 right at Kilo, clear for takeoff, turn left heading 040.
Turn left to 040, clear for takeoff 4 Foxtrot Hotel.
Southwest 4130, runway 13 right, cleared to land.
13 right, clear to land, Southwest 4130.
Alright, we have made power right there. Airspeed alive. Wanting to fly already. Alright, we got it pitched over. As far as I'm concerned, usable runway's gone. Start pitching over here and gaining a little speed. We're in transition. Alright, gear is up. Just trying to get the plane established in the climb. Gonna hand fly it up a little bit here. Not a lot of traffic, but any international airport's got a lot of traffic. Little intimidating, but hey man, this is the comeback. Are you old? Are you having a comeback? Would you fly in and out of an international airport? Well, right along, I'm doing it.
Number 4 Foxtrot Hotel, 040 heading, please.
040, 4 Foxtrot Hotel. Busy airspace like this, it's hard to hand fly. It's not impossible by any means, but I got to admit, I crutch on the autopilot pretty hard, and I've been trying to break myself of that by hand flying. So I'm hand flying for just a second, at least till I get to 1,000 feet or so. It's busy airspace. There's going to be a lot of calls. I go ahead and turn it on, and we start climbing out, trying to find some cooler temperatures, and getting ready to head back into some unexpected trouble.
November 4 Foxtrot Hotel, contact departure, good day.
Contact departure, good day, sir. Departure, November 4 Foxtrot Hotel, 2000 for 75.
November 4 Foxtrot Hotel, San Antonio departure, radar contact.
The storm started to build on our way home. As we climbed out, we were watching it. There's a lot of ability to look at stuff on this new panel setup. But the Garmin autopilot's going to fail, and a piece of the three-dimensional horizon fails. I'm going to have to revert back to a six-pack, get down on the ground, and think about what I'm doing. When the autopilot failed, I ended up landing at just a random airport. Looking at it, trying to reboot it, it was still failed. I had to look at the weather and make some decisions on whether I thought I could really get back into Dallas with what I had. So I just reverted it back to a six-pack, as you can see over my shoulder there. I knew I could see that. The clouds were about 3,000 feet. I also knew that I could run a little bit to the north or the east and then cut north around the storms and be okay and have a lot of options, a lot of outs, and a lot of fuel. In the comments, let me know if you like the time lapse in the middle. I'm doing this to kind of show some of the storm and what we're going through, but I'm going to drop us out of warp speed here. If you've been in and out of Dallas, you recognize Ray Hubbard there. We're over the rock wall area. And we're going to start coming into land.
Well, little function isn't going to take that up. Very good.
Big Stripe 205, descend and maintain 6,000.
So maintain 6,000, Big Stripe 205.
Is that rough 512?
I love looking at all like the nice houses come up here.
Traffic at site 6, Charlie Bravo.
For 459 Sierra Papa, squawk 4626. Southwest 4639, turn right, heading 150.
150, heading south 4639.
November 15 Foxtrot, climb to 4,500.
4,500, 15 Foxtrot.
For 6 Charlie Bravo, turn 10 degrees right, contact approach 118.1.
Turn 10 degrees right, contacting approach 118.1, 6 Charlie Bravo, see ya.
For 9 Sierra Papa, radar contact, 5 miles south of Rockwall, proceed direct Plano, make a Plano recovery.
Garmin and the electronic shop that installed all the new components worked with us. Very easy to work with. We're still in kind of a testing phase with some of this in a way. I mean, every time you take it out, you find a little something that needs to be tuned up. But I can't say enough about all the people we worked with to get this plane updated. In no means am I upset about this failure, and it was not that big a deal. They had the plane back to us probably in a few days.
500. So 529 departure, radar contact, proceed direct Plano, make a Plano recovery, runway 16.
Direct to Plano, 559.
Big Stripe 205, descend and maintain 5,000.
So maintain 5,000, Big Stripe 205.
Number 4 Foxtrot Hotel, descend to 2,500.
Descend to 2,500 for Foxtrot Hotel.
It's been a great day. I mean, we've gone down to Fredericksburg to the Hangar Hotel. We've picked up Baylor University's old jet to add it to the fleet. And just trying to get back in. But man, it was eventful for me.
I'm glad I did. I have learned a lot.
Big Stripe 205, fly heading 120.
Heading 120, Big Stripe 205.
It's always fun to take people on their first ride in a GA airplane. You know, they just don't understand it's a time machine.
So good tonight.
Big Stripe 205, fly heading 130.
Heading 130, Big Stripe 205.
Number 4 Foxtrot Hotel, traffic 10 o'clock, 2 miles northbound, 1400, type unknown.
Looking for the traffic for Foxtrot Hotel. Yeah, that's him right there. He's like running.
Approach, citation 133 Golf Lima, 9000 with Yankee.
For 3 Golf Lima, approach, roger.
Where? Scud run that shit again. Just like us.
Big Stripe 205, descend and maintain 4000.
Descend and maintain 4000, Big Stripe 205.
Number 3 Golf Lima, descend and maintain 6000. What's your runway preference? Number 4 Foxtrot, held that traffic, 10 o'clock, mile and a half northbound, 1500.
Looking for the traffic, no George for Foxtrot Hotel.
Citation 3 Golf Lima, descend and maintain 6000. Do you have a runway preference?
He's
He's below us on this side.
6,000 and we'll take 13 left or 3 on them.
Until we get back.
Sun request.
Right there. Just gonna ease up.
0 Alpha Foxtrot, Lone Star approach, 13 left is on request.
Right underneath us.
Number 4 Foxtrot Hotel, contact Addison Tower 126.0.
Contact Addison Tower 126 for Foxtrot Hotel.
Big Stripe 205, fighting 180, contact approach 123.
Addison Tower, November 4 Foxtrot Hotel with you, 2500.
November 4 Foxtrot Hotel, Addison Tower, continue left downwind to runway 16.
Entering a left downwind for runway 16 for Foxtrot Hotel.
Tower train, November 609 Foxtrot, holding scope 16 for the approach flexion.
Tower 60907 Foxtrot, Addison Tower, runway 16, you are clear for takeoff.
16, good for takeoff, Addison Foxtrot. Addison Tower, thrust 529 is at 2,500.
Thrust 529, Addison Tower, continue for left base, runway 16.
Continue for left base on runway 16, thrust 529.
It's days like this that remind you that flying's never routine. A storm, a Garmin failure, an international airport, and a small plane. It keeps you humble. I've flown with all the modern panels, but when it quits, you realize it's still the basics that bring you home. That's how so many of us older guys watch these channels. It's not about being perfect. It's about remembering what it feels like to be tested and to make it through it. Flying after 50 isn't just about the destination. It's about proving yourself, and you can still do it.
Tower 4 Foxtrot Hotel, traffic off your nose, turning eastbound, Cherokee. Altitude indicates 1,400.
Alright, looking for the traffic. We'll turn back to the west a little bit.
Addison is a super busy place to come in and out of. It's probably the busiest GA airport in North America with a single runway. We're looking, we don't see him, we're turning, but we're turning right into his path. He just happens to go right underneath us, right there. Got to have your head on a swivel, you know.
Wingtip is on the runway. We're slowing down. Seats, flaps. We'll get the first 10 in right here. 1, 2, 3. Fuel selectors on both landing gear is down, down. Mixture and the prop. All right. Going back in with the mixture. Prop. We want to pitch for 100. We're going to turn 90. Then an 80 on the downhill roll.
First spots may not be in your descent. Begin descent at 529.
We are a little high, so we want to get some power out. Get this plane slow.
If you notice back over on the left, on the G3X, I've got a checklist up, so I don't have to have a hand checklist. It's just right there. You're clicking through it. It's just like you own a Sears or something, except you own a vintage 1968, Camaro in this case, in the form of a V-tail Bonanza with the oversized IO 550 on the front of it.
First spot 29, number 16, clear to land number 2.
Clear to land number 2 on runway 16, thrust 529.
And 13011.
Here we are turning it on final, bringing it home at the end of an emotional, long day with a lot of decisions. It was super hot. We are both soaked in sweat and proud to get home. Stay till the end though. I'll time-lapse it off the front camera where you can see the storms and what it really looked like. The GoPro in the back is set up to take in a lot more light, so it looks like more light than there was.
We are pointed at the 1,000 footers. Going to get another inch manifold pressure out.
Addison Tower, helicopter 567 Alpha Echo, 6 miles to the northeast with Charlie. Request inbound for Millionaire FBO.
Helicopter 567 Alpha Echo, Addison Tower, roger. And verify you have information, Charlie.
Towers, after 567 Alpha Echo.
Paper, November 567 Alpha Echo, verify you have information, Charlie.
We do have information, Charlie.
November 567 Alpha Echo, proceed right to the Millionaire ramp.
567 Alpha Echo.
Addison Tower, Skyhawk 4590 Sierra Papa, inbound at 2,500.
4590 Sierra Papa, Addison Tower, and left base for 16, maintain via part 2,500.
Left base 16, via part 2,500, 459 Sierra Papa.
Sierra Papa, Addison, altimeter 2985, altitude indicates 2,300.
2985, 459 Sierra Papa, get back up to 2,500.
Thank you. Number 4, Foxtrot Hotel, where are you parking at?
Southwest T-Hangars going to make Bravo 5 for you.
November 4, Foxtrot Hotel, turn right at Bravo 5, taxi parking via Bravo, monitor ground, good day.